So you start with your yarn, cut it into strands. I think I use like 4 or 5 strands here. Make sure you're laying them flat and don't make the yarn to be too long so that it doesn't tangle. Just wrap it around your wrist one by one. When you get to the end, grab more and lay down the ones that were before, lay them very flat, and then just wrap the new ones over them. Just wrap it all over like that. You can go around as many times as you want. When you come to the end, grab glue and put your glue at the end of the yarn. That's much. And just use the glue to hold it in place. Add in your decorations. Add glue and then put the decoration on. I think I used like 6 or 7 here. And that's all you do. Decorate it the way you want. And you have your wreath all done. Have fun!